This segment is sponsored by VUIM Clinic. VUIM Clinic offers personalized, patient-centered whole health and wellness through acupuncture and other services like herbal medicines and massage therapy. The techniques can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and assist in chronic pain management. So here today is Chief Executive Officer John Yu and Dr. Haley Parker, an acupuncturist and the Director of Clinical Operations. First of all, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
I'm kind of excited to talk a little bit about this because I know acupuncture, John, is becoming a little bit more increasingly popular in the United States. So let's talk about how VUIM Clinic stands out in terms of like the training and the expertise, why people should choose you.
Yeah, absolutely. So VUIM Clinic is actually the clinical services side of an accredited university that was founded about 20 years ago here in Northern Virginia. The Virginia University of Integrative Medicine is one of the top institutions in the country. I'm a bit biased, but I'd say we are the top. And as a result of being a university, we are able to provide clinical care in our clinic based on the research-based and evidence-based practices that our faculty have developed over the courses of their career. And through that, our patients are able to receive the benefits from the intersection of academics, research, and the patient-centered whole health services that we offer.
Okay. You're selling me right here. I'm hearing it. Let's talk about what someone should be looking for then when choosing a practitioner. I mean, it seems like you're providing that right space because of the academia and the training, but how do you make that choice?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, first and foremost, you have to connect with the practitioner. You have to really feel comfortable because this is your health. Number two, you're going to have to go through the basics of what makes a professional stand out as an acupuncturist. You have to come from an accredited institution like the Virginia University of Integrative Medicine, and you have to have an acupuncturist who's passed their board exams. So they've completed all of their examinations through the NCCAOM. And then following that, you find a practice where you really feel at home, and that's what we're trying to do here at VUIM Clinic.
Okay, well, let's bring in Dr. Parker here. Can you tell us a little bit more about the unique approach that you use at VUIM and how you kind of apply that towards integrative healthcare? I mean, how does acupuncture all play into this?
Sure. So the premise behind traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncture is that it really focuses on the patient-centered care and bringing in the whole person, as well as that integrative healthcare model. So we don't just focus on the injury or the symptom, but we understand there's a deeper cause, as well as treating the physical, the mental, the emotional, and spiritual aspects of a person to help them maintain balance and be able for their body to catch back up to promote that innate healing that the body knows how to do.
Wow. Well, for someone who's never tried acupuncture before, yours truly, what can you expect? What kind of conditions does acupuncture work for? And I feel like there's a little apprehension because there's some type of poking and needle action. Like, help me ease me and our viewers there.
Sure. So totally. We are archaically wired to not like the idea of something piercing us. But with that, the acupuncture needle is a sixth the size of a hypodermic needle.
Okay.
It's really just like a little tap. And with that, it's helping to reset the brain and the body and get the body to reconnect in all of its different ways and channels in which we're helping the body to operate. So with that, there's absolutely apprehension. The practitioner connects with the patient and eases the patient through the treatment, explains as they go. And then with that, whatever the patient's coming in with, whether it's infertility issues, chronic injuries, sports injuries, digestive disruption, mental health, maybe just an alternative to healthcare practice, or trying to find hope that there's something else that they can do for themselves, acupuncture is a great tool to help integrate the whole, as well as make those other traditional treatments work even better.
I mean, you went through quite a list there of different things that you can treat. I mean, if you're a relatively healthy person but maybe just don't feel 100%, I mean, is that an opportunity as well? I mean, does it have to be a specific concern or ailment?
Absolutely not. I have tons of patients that come in just to try.
Right, no, I'm signing out. Can I get that?
With that, though, the medicine and the traditional practice is meant to be practiced preventatively. In all honesty, no one has time to get sick, and ideally, patients are coming in once a month just to maintain wellness and promote optimal optimal thriving in their life, even just seasonally to help with the transitions of the weather, or the times in life where we get a little bit more run down. It gives us not only that competitive edge, but also it helps our bodies keep up with the daily demands.
Oh, I like it. All right,
And I promise it doesn't hurt.
It doesn't. Pain-free. Where can our viewers go to learn more and maybe try to make that initial visit?
Sure, absolutely. So you can visit us online at VUIMclinic.com. You can also check out our social media. I love our Instagram. It's at VUIM Clinic. And of course, you can visit us, we hope. Drive over to 1980 Gallus Road, Vienna, Virginia, 22182. We are located right next to the Vienna DMV.
Okay. Get your acupuncture and your renewal of your license at the same time. Thank you so much both for being here today. This is super exciting. I've learned a lot, and I don't know, I might want to go check that out. So
We're gonna make that
look for me on your docket.